So this is a 125cc Coolster ATV. Doesn't have very many miles on it at all. It stopped starting, so my son replaced brand new battery, brand new solenoid, brand new starter, and checked the fuse. The fuse is good. Everything should be wired up correctly. Use the wire diagram, which by the way is not very good. And this is the noise that it makes. It won't start, and really not sure why. So let me just set this down for a minute so you can hear the noise that it makes. Kind of sounds like a blender. Not sure. Really not sure if anybody recognizes that noise or can help us out to try to figure out exactly why it's not starting. I feel like we've changed a lot, if not most of the things in here, and they're still stuck. So any ideas, any thoughts would be greatly appreciated. Thanks.